Hello, Tony. Hello, Jenny.
Hello, Gogo.
What are you doing?
I'm washing the dishes.
I'm drying them.
What's that?
It's a saucepan.
Aha. Good. I'm hungry. May I make some soup?
All right.
What do you want to put in it?
Let me think. Have you got any meat?
Yes, there's some meat in the fridge.
Good. Have you got any oil?
There's some oil in this bottle.
Do you want any pepper?
Yes, please. And some salt.
That's a good idea.
Thank you. Some water. Some curry powder. A fish. Some jam. Some cheese. Some tomato sauce. Do I want any sugar? Yes, I like sugar. Some sugar.
Gogo, what's in this soup?
Some meat, some pepper, some jam, some cheese, a fish, some sugar, some...
Oh, Gogo, we don't like this soup.
I do.
You may have ours.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello, Gogo.
It's 12 o'clock. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
I'm hungry too.
GB, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Let's make a sandwich. Have we got any bread, any bread, any bread? Have we got any bread, any bread?
No, we haven't. No, we haven't. We haven't got any bread.
Yes, we have. Yes, we have. We've got some bread now.
Have we got any butter? Any butter? Any butter? Have we got any butter? Any butter?
No, we haven't. No, we haven't. We haven't got any butter.
Yes, we have. Yes, we have. We've got some butter now.
Have we got any jam? Any jam? Any jam? Have we got any jam? Any jam?
No, we haven't. No, we haven't.
We haven't got any jam.
Yes, we have. Yes, we have. We've got some jam now.
Ooh, it's a big sandwich. Huh?
My sandwich is very big, Gogo.
My sandwich is very big too.
My sandwich is very big too. Thank you, Gogo.
Oh.